So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how I decorated this beautiful cake in all shades of blue that's looking like all shades of green. But basically it's blue, it's just that my buttercream is yellow and the blue is reacting to the yellow and all white, so it's giving me this. Why am I explaining? I don't know. But then I'm going to be teaching you guys how I got this cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you've not already, and if you are new to the channel, my name is Ekomedoka Daniel and I'm a photographer and baker based in Abuja. Yeah. So starting off this cake, firstly I'm going to be coloring my rice paper, and I'm going to be showing you how I just prepared basically. So the theme for this color cake is sky blue. So I'll just be carrying some colors from here, and I'll be wetting my color, my water. Basically that's it. I'm going to keep this color aside. I'll just wet my water and I'll keep this, and I'll just wet this. Just go and make sure it goes round. Make sure it goes round. Then you drop it on a cake board preferably. So you can see what I'm doing here. Drop it on the cake board. Then you have to be careful here. You have to be really careful, guys. Then you adding some star to it. I'm just gonna take my color and just touch some parts and just add a bit of texture to it. Just add a bit of texture to it. I'm still going to be painting this gold. Partially. I'll just add a bit of texture to it, and we are done. I'll just leave it out to dry, and I will be working on my cake. So I'm starting off the video. I will just start by coloring my buttercream with a bit of sky blue. I just want sky blue to be so mild in it, and I will just start by covering it with a bit of sky blue. A bit of sky blue. Sorry guys, my hands are dirty already, and I will just start with mixing this up. I think you guys enjoy long videos, so I'm going to be making my videos long from now on. I'm not going to be doing short videos anymore. Straight to the point. I'll still be putting that once in a while though, but it's mostly long videos. So I've mixed a little bit of my buttercream. So basically what I'm just going to be doing, I'm just going to be covering, and as soon as my buttercream is low or is exhausted, I'll add more to it and just reduce the saturation of the buttercream. So let's go without further much ado. So now my buttercream is exhausted. I will just add a little bit of buttercream in it and stir up. So I've added a little bit of buttercream in it and I've mixed it up. I've mixed it up. So let us continue with the icing. I think I'll take this layer up, then I'll give it a brighter layer at the middle base. I think that'll create more contrast to the cake instead of giving it a clean gradient. Yeah, I just thought about that right now and I think it's gonna be great. By the way guys, Cake Parfait is available. If you're in Abuja, do it to order some. I swear to God, you taste heaven because it comes with a lot of secrets in it. There is white chocolate, dark chocolate, creamy milk, and all. Let's go. So I've added a little bit of more plain buttercream, and now this is how it looks. So I'll just keep on finish covering the cake. Voila! I'll just continue covering the cake and see how it turns out. I hope it's gonna turn out great though. I know it's gonna turn out great. By the way, you must be wondering where did the blue come from? Yellow and blue. I mean, you must be wondering where did the green come from? Yellow and green makes blue. Sorry, yellow and blue makes green. So the blue buttercream and a little bit of blue color it's giving the green color, I guess. So basically that's it. You should know why your colors are acting funny. You should know more about colors. Maybe I'll release a full course on colors specifically. If you watch this video and you want that course, free course by the way, free crash course on colors. If you watch this video and you want that course, just maybe you shot me at my DM or something. So carry my scraper. I'm just gonna scrape that. This is the reason why I like putting a cloth layer on my border and my So for some reasons, I'm going to be leaving it like this. I don't know why I'm leaving it like this, but I would like to leave it like this, so that I will have the flexibility of painting at the edges. But then I will just still scrape one last time. I will scrape one last time. So I'm coming back. I had some issues with my topper though, so I'm just gonna place it on my cake. This is how it turned out. It got broken, so I'll just place it on my cake. And use my gold So yes, I'll keep it. So since that's that, I am gonna move on with the topper. Picking my front, I think it's stable to be my front. Just slightly showing. Ooh, not so deep. Here you go. So yeah, I think basically this has brought us to the end of this video. Do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.